Hi everybody, it's Jeremy, and today I'm going to check out a 3-room unit designed by the masters of space planning and interior design. We're talking about i.Poise. Come along.
Hi! Hi, Jeremy! Hello!
This, by the way, is Eugene, principal designer of i.Poise.
Hello!
We're situated in Ang Mo Kio, so we know that this used to be an old HDB 3-room layout.
Yeah, it's the typical 3-room I layout where there's just one toilet and 2 rooms.
Today we're going to check out the magic that i.Poise has done to this beautiful home. So Eugene, first of all, tell us more about this place.
This area here is actually the shoe foyer. It's a modern colonial theme with a bit of a Peranakan flavor. See the carpentry. The gold trimmings rested on the white. That's actually the modern colonial effect. Another aspect in line with the colonial theme is actually the door, where you can see there's the wainscoting.
See what I told you about details? I want to take a look at the Peranakan aspect of this entire blend.
So the Peranakan aspect would be the flooring. It's just the pattern, a bit of accent of it. Give a good balance in this whole place.
Another thing that caught my eye here in the foyer is this glass wall feature.
Actually, this is a floating glass concept. When the main door opens, you can actually have a look straight into the living area. That's not what we want. So this is to act as privacy, but we also didn't do it full length. If it's full length, this whole place will look very boxed up.
Now I can't wait to check out the rest of the house and see more of the modern colonial and Peranakan blend.
Come, Jeremy, let me show you the living area.
Wow!
So, this is it.
Okay, Eugene, tell us, what are we looking at here in the living room?
So this place here, it may look really simple, but there's actually a lot of things going on. One of the main feature I'd like to take your attention to is actually the TV area. Most people would do a typical feature wall made with carpentry, but doing so would give it a lot of joint lines and unwanted details. To keep it simple, we actually did only one color theme right in this wall, which is pure white all the way. And we added some details to add a bit of the contrast here, which is this curve. It's to break the design a little bit because in front is a lot of squares.
And I realized how the entire experience is so seamless from this part of the wall right up to this part where the window is, that brings us over to this extended settee area.
This is not just an ordinary settee for sitting, it's actually full storage. So if you notice beside the TV, it used to be a storeroom. We took it away to give space, but we compensated back in giving more storage in various spaces of the home.
See? Masters of space planning. Storage that's cleverly hidden.
Come, Jeremy, I want to show you one more area in this living place. So this is actually another feature wall here where we play white on white with texture.
Eugene, I'm really curious, how did you turn this entire dining area into this huge, massive layout?
Previously, this was actually the living, and then from this beam here at the back is the full kitchen area. So like all typical 3-room HDBs, the kitchen is half the size of the living. We actually reorganized this because the owner of this place doesn't cook that much and also likes to host guests. So we want to extend out the living area to give her the space. So we actually blend in this portion here. The living was white, and then with gold accents.
Wow!
And then we blend into a slightly darker shade of the kitchen area.
And I think that's a great idea, especially if you love to host parties, gatherings, so your friends won't have to, be in the kitchen where the cooking takes place. I just want to talk about the difference in the knobs here on the cabinets.
The owner of this place is a lady, so we just added a little bit of the girliness into the butterfly.
Feminine touch in the details. So Eugene, you know me, I'm all about food. Take me through the dry kitchen.
So in this dry kitchen, this here is the counter space. The owner can put food here to serve her guests. And then this area, this is actually a pocket door. In here, you can store your appliances like your coffee machine, your microwave, where you can keep them hidden. Usually these items, you don't want them closed in all the time. So you can open it and use them, and then whenever you want to hide for your guests, when they are coming here for visual purposes, you can close it up.
And speaking of visual purposes, I realized you added a touch of fun in terms of the color on the interior.
We just want to add a bit more spice to the place. More than just grey, white and gold, we added a bit of green.
And of of course, we have the wet kitchen. Ta-da! Check out the quartz backsplash that blends with the countertop and Peranakan tiles. So I've been trying to figure out where is the entry point to the bedroom, and I think I know where. Behind these doors. No?
Nope. Here, come.
What? Where is it?
It's actually here.
No way! Wow! Cleverly hidden behind this feature wall.
So this is to blend with the green that we played outside. And this space here, half of it was the designated master bedroom. And then a portion of it used to be like the other room / storeroom, where we've hacked it all down, we've expanded it. So the original master bedroom ended around here.
Around here? Okay.
Yeah. And this area here used to be the storeroom area.
Wow, look at how big this place is now.
So now this place can fit a king size bedside and also a massage chair.
I know, we can tell that the owner loves to pamper herself after a long day's work.
So this area here, we wanted to do a walk-in wardrobe concept. But if you notice that this whole place, the only area where the light comes from is from the window behind us. For a walk-in wardrobe, usually it's all up and a full height. So we actually created one mini island here. This thing is half height so that the natural light can still shine through in the daytime. This island, we made it such that there's a mini glass display where the owner can display her watches, jewelry. Part of the design flow, actually, if you notice here, it's also the knobs that we use. So this is a butterfly handle, and then also this laminate here, this grey laminate is the same one that we've used in the dry kitchen.
Wow, consistency. Now I can't wait to check out what's behind these glass doors.
In here, it's actually the main feature of the whole house. Behind these curtains is actually a walk-in dresser and vanity.
Okay, may I? Official opening ceremony. Whoa!
So we segmented our area for the dresser. We situated it near the window so that there's enough natural light in the mornings when the owner does her makeup. And we also elevated this area. So this platform is made with carpentry and we clad it with tiles rather than the mainstream laminate to look more classy.
Who would have thought you're able to create such an experience in a 3-room HDB flat? Would you like to come in?
Yeah, let's go. So this is actually the walkway area and it leads to the vanity. So this area is the vanity. In HDB, they have very, very huge pipes. Since we have a bit of the colonial theme, we decided to make the pipes super obvious, since it already is. This walkway also actually leads back out into the kitchen, the wet kitchen area. Because this whole place only has one bathroom and we want access from the guest side and then also from the master bedroom side.
And now I'd love to take a look at the master bathroom.
Let's go.
Take a look at how they've separated both the toilet area where you do your business and the shower area where you can give yourself a spa experience. Look at the details, the Peranakan tiles. Change pose, change pose. See? The fun side of Eugene, everybody. So we want to talk about the overall experience.
At the very beginning, the client actually gave us a lot of free play. The main priority she gave us was that she just wants a place to rest after work, and she definitely does not want this place to look like a typical HDB. We really thought through what we can do. Because of the small homes, everyone just wants to build carpentry everywhere. So we actually want to make the place more special.
I actually heard firsthand from the client herself that she was super impressed with how i.Poise is the master of space planning. You break down this entire place to come up with the whole new layout. You cleverly included the lighting to create the kind of experience that she wants exactly. And also, her friends actually mentioned that this place looks like a hotel. Remember the scene where we brought everybody down to the vanity area? We saw the LED track lights. Tell us a bit more about the idea behind that experience.
We want this place to really stand out and come out in the night. So we played with a lot of LED lightings. Beneath every shelf, beneath all the feature walls, there's actually an LED light over there to add the ambience. And of course, the main highlight is at the walk-in dresser vanity area. That area is really something that I believe there was no home in Singapore that would have brought this out. So we wanted to introduce this element in.
And I want to say for the record, I was really blown away. So impressed. So if you want people who can think out of the box, be different, and if you want to add the magic to your next home, contact i.Poise. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell if you want to get notified on our latest videos, and follow all our socials. Eugene, Principal Designer, i.Poise everybody. I'm Jeremy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.